Good day to all of you. I'd like to endorse very, very highly this book of Father Joe Blas Nolasco, Discovering the Joys of Life, the 7 life-giving principles for a meaningful life. You'll enjoy reading this book, but you'll not only enjoy reading this book, you will grow wise with the help of the scriptural quotations that Father Joe Blas provides, and then the stories which he tells very engagingly from his own experience as a priest and especially as a hospital chaplain. Combine the two, scriptures, experience, and then the ability to communicate, and you find them all in this book. So, get your copy and learn very much and have a very meaningful life.